What is statistical quality control? The term quality control has a variety of meanings. It is the process through which we measure the actual quality performance, compare it with the standards, and take corrective action if there is a deviation. According to a famous scientist, total quality control is an effective system for integrating the quality development, quality maintenance, and quality improvement efforts of the various groups in an organization so as to enable production and services at the most economic levels which allow full customer satisfaction. World War II saw a greatly expanded use and acceptance of statistical quality control concepts in manufacturing industries. Wartime experience made it apparent that statistical techniques were necessary to control and improve the quality. The American Society for Quality Control formed in 1946. This organization promotes the use of quality improvement techniques for all types of products and services. Why SQC? Measured quality of manufactured product is always subject to a certain amount of variation as the result of chance. Some constant system of chance causes is inherent in any particular scheme of production and inspection. Variation within this stable pattern is inevitable. The reasons for variation outside this stable pattern may be discovered and corrected. These principles provide the foundation of SQC. SQC is one of the tools of the quality management. It has manufacturing as well as non-manufacturing benefits. Purpose of SQC is to provide a basis for better understanding of the variations that exist in quality characteristics. A physical or chemical property, a dimension, a temperature, a pressure, taste, smell, or any other requirements used to define the nature of the product or services which contributes to fitness for use can be considered as a quality characteristic and help to improve the quality at a lower cost. Three major statistical techniques which are useful in quality improvements are statistical process control, design of experiments, acceptance sampling, or product control. Statistical process control. If a product is to meet a customer requirement, it should be produced by a process that is stable or repeatable. That is, process must be capable of operating with little variability with around the target or nominal dimensions of the product's quality characteristics. Statistical process control is a powerful collection of problem-solving tools useful in achieving process stability and improving capability through the reduction of variability. SPC can be applied to any process. Its 7 major tools are called Magnificent Seven. SPC helps to build an environment in which all individuals in an organization desire continuous improvement in quality and productivity. This environment can be created effectively when management becomes involved in an ongoing quality improvement process. Once this environment is established, routine application of Magnificent Seven becomes part of the usual manner of doing business, and organization will be well on its way to achieving its quality improvement objectives. Of these 7 tools, control chart is the most technical, sophisticated one. Even though sophisticated technology and modern scientific equipments are available, all the items produced by a production process cannot be exactly the same. No two articles produced by the same machine are perfectly identical in a measurable characteristics. If a close examination is made, it can be seen that the causes responsible for making this variation can be classified into 2 categories. Thank you.